Hey everyone, I wanted to record this quick video just to show you how much money I made this month with Vetted. And this is not at all a way to brag or to show off. This is simply to show you that you can also do it too. And the sooner you join and the sooner you start providing your services here, the more likely you are to make numbers like these. I'm not special, I'm not better than you, and you can also do this. Also, keep in mind that out of these $10,000, I get to keep 100% of it because Vetted takes 0% in fees. So I don't have to give 20% or 15% to the platform. I get to keep 100% of this money. Now, I want to keep this video short, but I want to tell you one very important thing, which is that Vetted is not for everyone. This is not Fiverr, this is not Legit, this is not those types of marketplaces. Vetted is and will only be for professional marketers. So not everyone can join, not everyone can provide their services here. Only actual marketers that actually show their face. So if you are a marketer and want to provide your services to buyers looking to outsource their marketing efforts, I urge you to join Vetted as soon as you can, because this is an opportunity that won't be around for long, because the more people that join, the higher the competition will be and the harder it will be to make numbers like these. The amount of sellers we have right now is low and the amount of sellers with services is even lower. And so because Vetted is so new and the amount of sellers is so low and the amount of sellers with services is even lower, this is a huge opportunity and I urge you to join. I won't take any more of your time, but just think about this twice and I guess I'll see you on the inside. Cheers.